Hi kids, let's do exercise from chapter 6, time. Now let's tick the activity that will take longer. For the first one, we have a tap filling with water in the bucket. For the second one, we have a tap filling with water in the tank. Okay kids, now let's find which will take longer. The second one, tap filling with water in the tank, will take longer. Kids, let's do the next one. Here we have a boy who is walking and another boy who is riding a bicycle. Kids, let's find and tick the activity that will take longer. The boy who is walking will take longer.